So, yun na nga, family. I have the flu.
Patuloy na nagpapalakas at nagpapagaling ang phenomenal diva na si Jessa Zaragoza matapos tamaan ng full-blown flu. Sa Instagram, ikinuwento ni Jessa na noong Enero 22, nagsimulang sumama ang kanyang pakiramdam. Nakapag-taping pa nga raw siya sa game show na Sing Galing. Pero makalipas ang 2 araw ay nawalan na siya ng boses. The diagnosis was an upper respiratory infection, which as you all might know is pretty common lately. I was prescribed antibiotics for it, and they kicked in just in time for me to do the Vehni Saturno show on the 31st, sabi niya sa Instagram post. Akala raw niya ay road to recovery na siya at umepekto na ang gamot, pero lalo raw lumala ang kanyang sakit. More symptoms came popping in left and right, sore skin and body aches. I was thinking it might be a UTI but the tests concluded otherwise, sabi pa niya. Patuloy ng batikang singer, then the dry cough started as I worked through the last of my commitments on February 3rd, followed with the on and off fever that started the next day. It seemed I was gonna get worse before I would get better. Kasunod niyan ay nalaman na nga niya na full-blown flu ang nakuha niyang sakit. Paglalarawan niya, and yes, napakanta na talaga ako ng parang di ko yata kaya habang naiiyak ako kakaubo with a cough so bad I could literally feel my gums hurt. Matapos pasalamat ang lahat ng nag-alaga at nagdasal upang siya ay patuloy na gumaling, may paalala siya sa publiko. Let's all take this as a lesson to listen to your body and its needs. We only have one, so we best take care of it. Do it for both yourself and your loved ones around you. Health is wealth after all. Aniya pa. Sa comment section, libu-libong fans at netizens ang nagpaabot ng well wishes para kay Jessa at hoping na gumaling na siya very soon.